Guess what I'm making? Kimchi chicken with spam because I didn't have any pork belly for breakfast. Listen to that. Garlic, sauteing, smells so good. And then my coffee. Got spam and garlic and sesame seed oil. Sauteed so the garlic just turned a little bit brown. And some very old kimchi from end of last year, so it's super sour and spicy. We're just gonna pick out the kimchi and pop it in. I'm gonna add the juices later, so the flavors won't burn out. I'm just gonna saute this a little bit before we add a tablespoon of gochujang. So I changed my mind. I'm only gonna add a third, maybe, tablespoon of gochujang. But always add more later. I'm gonna heat this and melt this away into the sauteing kimchi, and then I'm going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes, the Korean one, to add a bit more spice. Gives it a really nice red color as well. Very spicy. I'm going to add the radish in, stir, and then I'm going to add water. Change the heat to higher until it boils, and then I'm going to let it simmer. For the stock, I'm using the tiniest amount of wheat flour. So I love this stock, it's so good. So I'm only going to add a tiny bit because it's quite strong. Mix it through. A bit of water to loosen up some of the kimchi left in the container. We're just going to pour it right in. That's all the kimchi juice. I'm going to add tofu and then it should be ready soon. So my last little bit of tofu left. Look at it. I wish I had a little bit more, but we are just using the ingredients that we have left at home. Taste test before you drop an egg. If you want egg in it, maybe add a little bit more sesame seed oil, salt and pepper. Put an egg in the ladle, just slowly adding hot water in, so it somewhat retains the shape. Ta-da! And then letting it sink in completely. And then it's all done. This is my breakfast for Sunday morning. Still got some left over. But yeah, just simple kimchi stew. Itadakimasu. This is some leftover rice that I had from the night before. It's a bit of a mess, but what I'm going to take in my bag, I have my bus and train pass here, my wallet, bus pass in the front, some mints, house keys, hairbrush. This one came from my Nana's hair dye box kit, and it's pretty good for my blonde hair because it's quite damaged, so nice open bristles. Goes in here. My car keys, just in case I might need to use the car as soon as I get home. My old foundation. This is just for light touch-ups and everything. It is so battered. It's by Lancome, and it's been well used, so this is what it is. I need to clean it. I hardly use it, but it's just good to have just in case. My power bank. This one has been around the world with me. I highly recommend it. It's a USB-C charger. It's quite light and it's 10,000. I don't know if they make it anymore, but one of the best presents I've ever gotten. My USB-C charger cable and my Bluetooth headphones, so that all fits in here quite comfortably. So I'll put this one in as well, because we don't want to have a flat battery when we're out and about. First world problem. And a little, I guess, cloth to clean my phone or anything for emergencies rather than using tissue. So this is my to-go bag. And this is what I'm wearing. I got a hat because my hair is a bit wet, but that's okay. I got my skirt from Bardot, I think. Singlet top from H&M, just a plain singlet. And this one is from Target. It was quite cheap and very comfortable, so just a casual outfit. Off to Cabramatta. Two corn dogs or cheese dogs, and I reheated it at 150 degrees in the oven for maybe 5 minutes until the stick felt really hot, and the outside of it was hot as well. It stayed crunchy even though it cooled down, but I just want to make sure that the cheese inside was nice and like soft and melted and not hardened up from cooling down. So this one is a ramen coated one, and this one's a standard. Might leave this one for my housemate because, you know, he he always gives me shit about these trend food, but it's really yummy. I know he's gonna like it, but he's just gonna be like, what is this? What the hell is that? So let's try the ramen one. Ta-da! So, down, ramen. Where am I going to bite it? There's lots of sugar on this side, so I'm going to try and bite there. I'm just going to go a bit lower, so it's going to be near the plate. It's really good. It's a bit more difficult to eat than the normal one, but it's yummy. It tastes like those Japanese ramen snacks, I guess. Really good. Although I'm obsessed with this, I am crazy obsessed with the deep fried corn from Burwood. So I think this comes to a close second. It's more easily accessible for me, so yum. This is going to be my late lunch. I had a fruit shake as well with jackfruits, lychee or lychee, whatever you would like to call it, mango, and I think that's it. Oh, and watermelon. So yeah, lots of sugar today. Lots and lots of sugar. Not good for me, but it's alright. I'll eat better for dinner. I might have a salad and some kimchi soup and eat good for the rest of the week. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace. How is it? You just woke up from a nap and you're eating a cheese dog.
It's sweet and savory.
Normally they put ketchup on it too. Do you want to put ketchup on it? Well, Koreans love sugar and ketchup. But it's good in a weird way. So good. So we are going to move in bed. So movie and bed at Moore Park. My housemate got tickets, so it'll be interesting. Apparently, we even got a designated bed that we can lay on with blankets and everything. They have food delivered to your, I guess, bed location, so it'll be interesting. The weird part is they want us, or the beds aren't reserved. You either choose the bed ticket or the grass ticket, where you bring your own like picnic blanket and whatever. Doors open at 7, but the movie doesn't start till 8:45. So yeah, we'll see what'll happen. But we're gonna watch Charlie's Angels. It's a bit of a